This is not a Walt Disney story. This is a story about God's redemption in people's lives. This is a story that goes forward and marches toward Jesus about what he can do in each of our lives. And it's not just about Ruth and Boaz live happily ever after. In fact, we're going to see, not to give things away, but actually Ruth and Boaz, next week we'll find out, they kind of disappear. Because this story is really about God, and it's really about what he can do in each of our lives. And it's not about, God, if I get my Boaz. God, if I finally have the son. God, if the family name gets to continue. It's just God, and God can do what God is going to do. But I will say, there's absolutely nothing, there's nothing in your life that he cannot redeem. There's just nothing outside of it, and it's so clear here.